All right, guys, today on Doing Stuff with Dylan, we're gonna go ahead and fix this mirror for a subscriber of mine. She works with my wife, so we're gonna get this mirror swapped out for her. It's a 2019 Ford Escape. Don't forget to subscribe. It's the easiest way to freely support my channel. If you found this useful, hit that like button. All right, to do this job, you just take this cover out. There's a 7 behind there. You pull this off. There's 2 7s back here. You got 1 7 in behind here. You got 1 7 right down here. You pop it all out. This slides backwards. You take out the T30s, and then the mirror comes off. Simple as pie. This little piece here, right inside of that door handle, that's got to get popped off. That was shortest. Let's make sure there's not a screw behind this little reflector. Yep, there it is. Pull that out. I don't know if you saw that. This just pops up out of here. And then we have 2 more screws back behind there. Unplug this. Like that. All right. And the door panel comes off like that. All right, and back here, we're just gonna leave this hang out. These slide over. See how these slid over? These slide over so you don't break them. We can just let this door panel kind of just hang out here. Letting the door panel hang, I gotta take these screws out here to get the mirror out. We got 1, 2, 3 screws we got to take out. I'm going to try it. This size is a little too small, but it works. This is a T25. I'm guessing it's a T30 or a T27. All right, there's 3 screws. Just gonna wiggle a little bit. You gotta get underneath of this trim here, and then off it comes. There's the old mirror. Now, if you don't have a painted cover, and polish this up, and probably remove this cover, and get it put back on our other one. All right, here goes the new mirror. Slide that up into there and wiggle it into place like that. Press it in. All right, guys, now it's time to put it back together. Always start screws with your fingers. All right, just good and snug is all you got to do. You don't have to go crazy. All right, good and snug, just like that. Let me take this little black piece, and it just kind of slides back into place. Make sure you plug it back in first, guys. That's an important step. Just like that. That goes back there. And then gonna make sure your wire for your door switch comes out where it belongs, which is right there. kind of put the top in first, and you snap the bottom in. Alright, just like that. Door panel's back on. That in. You snap this guy back on. You snap this back down in here. The front goes first. You snap that back down on, and you put this little chrome piece back on. And then don't forget to stick your screw in here. There we go. Put this little black piece back in here. The front first, and then the back. That's where the reflector goes. Bottom first, and then the top. You put this last screw in and we're done. So you can see how this is held on here. There's little tabs here. I'm going to try to remove her old piece. It doesn't matter if we break the mirror assembly itself, as long as we don't break the plastic piece. See, I'm just taking these tabs here and I'm bending them up. That way I can start getting this cover off. See how I got the cover off? Alright, looks pretty good. Kind of snaps on there, that's why it's the same color. There we go. We got this mirror changed out on this 2019 Ford Escape for my subscriber. She works with my wife, so I'm sure she'll be real happy. We didn't charge her anything, so she just let me make the video, so I hope this is helpful to you guys. You guys got any suggestions for future videos? Go ahead and put them down below in the comments. The last video I posted was an Escape transmission removal. It's an inclusive, all-inclusive, every make and model of the Ford Escape transmission removal. It has the 2-liter, the 1.8, the turbo, the 4-wheel drive version, the 2-wheel drive version. It's a long video, but it's all-inclusive, so check it out. It'll be over here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.